National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Knox, Marion, and Morrow, and the waters of Lake Erie from the islands to Vermilion, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Huron County, Richland County, southeastern Seneca County, northeastern Marion County, northwestern Ashland County, eastern Wyandotte County, northeastern Morrow County, Crawford County, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Sycamore, or 7 miles northwest of Bucyrus, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Bucyrus, Upper Sandusky, Galion, Shelby, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, Belleville, Plymouth, New Washington, Sycamore, Savannah, Chatfield, Butler, Benton, Nevada, Lucas, and Bailey Lakes. Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Richland County, southern Ashland County, southern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Knox County until 10:15 p.m. At 9:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Hayesville, or 8 miles southeast of Mansfield, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Worcester, Millersburg, Berlin, Lexington, Walnut Creek, Loudonville, Belleville, Shreve, Kilbuck, Hayesville, Holmesville, Glenmont, Mount Eaton, Nashville, Winesburg, Farmerstown, Butler, Baltic, and Perrysville. Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Richland County, southeastern Ashland County, northeastern Morrow County, northeastern Knox County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lexington, or 10 miles southwest of Mansfield, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Lexington, Loudonville, Belleville, Waterford, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, Gann, Mohicanville, North Liberty, and Shaw. Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Richland County, south central Ashland County, southwestern Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Knox County until 7 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Belleville, or 11 miles north of Mount Vernon, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Loudonville, Fredericktown, Belleville, Danville, Glenmont, Nashville, Butler, Gann, and North Liberty. Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for southern Ashland County, northern Knox County, northeastern Morrow County, southern Richland County, Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, southern Stark County in northeastern Ohio, southern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio until 10 p.m. At 7:36 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kenton, Mansfield, Mount Gilead, Millersburg, Massillon, Berlin, Lexington, Walnut Creek, Minerva, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Brewster, Navarre, Belleville, Shreve, Waynesburg, East Sparta, Kilmac, Holmesville, and Wilmot. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County until 9:30 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lamu, or 8 miles southeast of Kenton, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, Prospect, Lamu, Morrill, Waldo, New Bloomington, and Green Camp. Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Marion County, southeastern Wyandotte County, northwestern Morrow County, southwestern Crawford County until 11 p.m. At 10:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Morrill, or near Marion, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Marion and Morrill around 10:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Greencamp, New Bloomington, and Caledonia. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Marion County, northwestern Morrow County, south central Crawford County until 11:45 p.m. At 10:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Marion, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, Mount Gilead, Galion, Cardington, Caledonia, Edison, and Iberia. Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for south central Ashland County, northern Knox County, northeastern Morrow County, southern Richland County, western Holmes County, and northeastern Ohio until 3:15 a.m. At 11:18 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mansfield, Mount Gilead, Galion, Lexington, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Belleville, Danville, Glenmont, Chesterville, Nashville, Waterford, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, Gann, North Liberty, Shock, and Iberia. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.